Hey guys, it's Sierra and welcome back to Skincare Mondays. So first off, I am going to post how I make my head wraps on IGTV. It will already be posted actually when this video goes up. Secondly, I have my windows open. I live in the South, so you're gonna hear a bunch of probably crickets and outside noise. Hopefully you just kind of like the vibe. I just decided that I didn't want to put the air on. I just wanted to have like nice southern breeze. There's something about like the sound of crickets that it just gets me. It just gets me every time. So if you hear crickets, hopefully it's just as relaxing for you as it is for me, because I feel so relaxed right now just listening to them outside. So let's get into this video, but before we get into the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Boop, 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 boop. That was really corny. Do people say corny still? I don't know. The product that we're going to be reviewing is the Boom! Good Molecules Pineapple Exfoliating Powder. I know you guys have heard this whirling around the beauty community, and I want to know what's really up. Let's just talk about it. I got this off of Beautylish. I ordered it. It probably came within 5 days, so it wasn't that bad with shipping, which I thought would be because of COVID, that it would take a lot longer to ship, but it didn't, which is great. All of my other stuff, however, has not showed up yet, and that's okay. So it's cool. It's not cool, but we're gonna manage. So this was $16. I also picked up the Good Molecules Vitamin C Booster Powder, and I picked up the Overnight Exfoliating Treatment, all from Good Molecules. My total was $30 even. Shipping was $5, and sales tax was $2.71. So my order came to $37.71. I'm gonna read just right off the box. It says, encourage gentle exfoliation with this cleansing powder containing bromelain, a mixture of enzymes naturally found in pineapples, which helps remove keratin proteins from the skin surface to reveal brighter and fresher skin. And I was like, what's that? Yes, please, for 16 bucks? Yes. The directions are: dispense a teaspoon of powder into palms. Mix with a few drops of water to form a creamy foam. Use more water for gentler exfoliation. Massage into skin with circular motions. Rinse thoroughly. Use up to 4 times a week. Discontinue if irritation occurs. It seems pretty simple. So let's try it out, guys. You know, I get so excited to try out new products. I don't know about you, but like, it's life. It really is. Here it is outside of the carton. Really cute. This feels like, is this glass? It feels like glass to me. Did you know that Good Molecules is made in Korea? Fun fact. I didn't know that. Okay, so it had a little protective little whatever you call it on there, and the hole is actually pretty big. Look at that thing. Pew! I have my handy dandy Pyrex. I'm gonna put some water in my hand, and my Pyrex is underneath me. You've seen this Pyrex before. She's made a debut a couple times. Dispense a teaspoon of powder into palms. Mix with a few drops of water. Teaspoon. Mix with a couple drops of water. Rub it around. Don't get it all over the place here. Here we go. Oops, I think I put too much this time. Okay, it's okay. Oh shit. Oh my gosh, now it's all over my clothes. Oh, help me. Please hold. We're back. And we've cleaned ourselves up a little bit. I feel like I was expecting it to have more like granules. It goes into like a straight powder. So I don't feel like it's exfoliating, you know what I mean? Have you ever felt those like exfoliating scrubs that have those little beads in it? So it like, you know that it's like exfoliating? What? Let's wipe it off our face, and then let's feel if my skin feels any softer, because I don't feel like it did anything. Hold on a second, guys. This is weird. Okay, let me tell you why. My skin, does it not look like brighter, like right here in my forehead? As I was washing it off of my face, I already, like, in my head was like, had what I was gonna say. And then I wiped it off and then everything switched, okay? When I used it, it didn't feel like, you know, that typical, I was waiting for the granules, I guess. My skin actually feels like I exfoliated. It actually feels really smooth. That is weird. So I don't know if it's the enzymes that are in here. It does have rice powder to soften, brighten, and gently exfoliate. It is a gentle exfoliator. So basically what I'm trying to say is that it works. And I thought that I was gonna come back on here and say that it sucked. And so it works. That's it. There's nothing else to that. The price point is great for 16 bucks. Price point is great. You get 60 grams or 2.1 ounces in here. And if you're using 1 teaspoon, this is gonna last you so long. Now, I use way more than 1 teaspoon. I don't know what happened there. I'm actually impressed. That is good stuff right there. Okay, so I'll be using that 4 times a week, and you know what? That's my first impression. I don't know how it's gonna go moving forward, but I will definitely keep you guys updated on that. But yeah, there's my wrap up. I hope you guys are being safe wherever you guys are. Please, 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 if you can, quarantine, you know, social distancing is now a real thing. Let's do that. Let's, you know, stay safe out there and stay healthy. I love you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for supporting me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out. I still can't believe words. Peace out.